S2E6, classic Caillou Pulls the fire alarm / sent to hell / expelled / grounded. Before we start, I just let you know this hidden donut in the video. Please do not send comments because it's cheating. If you cheat, I will delete comments.
Hello! I'm a substitute teacher. Since Miss Green was absent today we are going to watch a movie, The Miracles from Heaven. Not that woke Sony Entertainment. What do you want to watch? I want to watch Home on the Range 2004. No, we cannot play that. This suitable for 12-plus-year-old. How about to watch Miracles from Heaven? I don't want. Classic Caillou Anderson, if you don't watch a movies, you get out of my classroom. Fine, whatever, you stupid maggot. That stupid fuck knows nothing about our stupid dumb jag, only knows how to show Sony Entertainment. The hell do you think? We're a bunch of butt WHM 5-year-olds brun now. I'm going to put a fire alarm, ha 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 ha. Shut the TV off and let's get out of here. Now. Right now. Line up now.
Okay, sure.
Let's go right freaking now. Now. Principal, you made it. Ouch! My head. Fuck glass.
I don't see any fire. This could be false alarm. Stupid wasting my time. Okay, we're leaving. Mr. Hernandez.
Yo, how is it?
I'm sorry to inform you that this is just some false alarm. Someone might have accidentally pulled the fire alarm.
What? You shitting me?
Everything is normal, bro. No fire. Nothing is damaged. Think guys might have overreacting.
I shouldn't have jumped out the window. The glass cussed my head. It freaking hurts.
Who told your dumbass to jump off the window? You think you're Leon from Resident Evil 4? Yeah, you look more like his grandpa.
Prick.
Words do hurt, huh? Anyway, I'm not going to waste any more time here in this stupid school. I'm out. Peace.
Come on, they're just words. I'm gonna find the sun, you stupid bald prick eagle. Who did this to you? Let me watch the footage. A fire alarm? Ha 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 ha. Classic Caillou. Get the principal office right freaking now. So guys, sorry about what just happened. Get in the principal office right freaking now. No! Shit! Classic Caillou. How dare you pull the fire alarm? Do you think that's funny? That's not funny, that's so IT. You are expelled forever. I'm calling the hell police, because Classic Caillou pulling the fire alarm.
Classic Caillou, you are coming with me.
New.
This is your jail. Goodbye.
Dad? No. Classic Caillou, you fucking serious? How dare you pull the fire alarm and everyone panicking? You think that's funny? You are serious? That's it? You are grounded for 2662727262626 years? Oh, and the principal says you are expelled forever. Goodbye. Wah.